Welcome to Intro to AI Research. The AI Research tab is a brand new functionality within the Tasks dashboard that gives you context as you're replying to emails manually or performing your manual task. To access the AI Research functionality, all we have to do is start working through our tasks and pop open this View AI Research drawer on the left-hand side. The goal of this drawer is to provide you with research and context so that you can craft personalized, on-point responses, do cold calls, and perform other manual tasks with context. What I can do here is read through these different modules and just brush up on context specific to this account. And you will notice it's specific to Unify's sales motion. The good news is that the AI Research tab is going to be customized to your account. So you will probably not see the same data here. For example, we're selling to go-to-market teams. You might not be, but you'll be able to see context here that's relevant to your company and your company's sales motion. What you can also do is thumbs up or thumbs down a specific module so that you can train the model to give you more of the research that's helpful to you. That's it in terms of how to use the AI Research tab.